Some breaking news, guys. Top Boy actor Michael Ward has broken the internet as he has been officially charged with 2 counts of R-word and SA. 2 counts. This man has not been accused. This man has been charged. So therefore, there is a substantial amount of evidence in regards to certain events that have taken place in January 2023. Michael Ward has been charged with some horrific charges. He is a very big actor in the UK, only 27. He was on the breakout show Top Boy on Netflix, and he's one of London's up-and-coming most accomplished young actors. So for this to break the news like this, it has come out of nowhere. I don't even know how to even discuss this conversation, but Michael Ward, the BAFTA winning actor who has appeared on Top Boy, has been charged with rape and sexual assault. Michael Ward has been charged with 2 counts of R-word and 3 counts of SA, guys, the Metropolitan Police said. The offences relate to one woman and are alleged to have taken place in January 2023. Deputy Supt Scott Ware, whose team is leading the Met's investigation, said, "Our specialist officer continues to support the woman who has come forward. We know investigations of this nature can have significant impacts on those who make reports." Michael Ward will now appear at Thames Magistrate Court in East London on the 28th of August. In a statement issued after the charges were announced on Friday, the actor said, "I deny the charges against me entirely. I have cooperated fully with the police throughout the investigation and I will continue to cooperate. I recognise that proceedings are now ongoing and I have full faith that they will lead my name being cleared. Given those proceedings, I am unable to comment." Catherine Bacchus, the Deputy Chief Crown Prosecutor for CPS London South, said, "Having carefully reviewed a file of evidence, the CPS has authorised the Metropolitan Police to charge Michael Ward with 2 counts of R-word, 2 counts of assault by penetration, and 1 count of SA against a woman in January 2023. We remind all concerned that proceedings against the suspect are active and he has a right to a fair trial. It is vital that there should be no reporting, commentary, or sharing of information online which could in any way prejudice these proceedings." Michael Ward first came onto the screens, as we all know, with Brotherhood and then Top Boy. The Jamaican-born actor was awarded the BAFTA Rising Star in 2020 and multiple awards after that. He also starred in the film Empire of Light and was cast in the forthcoming US pandemic-era Western movie Eddington, due to be released in the UK next month. Well, that particular movie that's coming out next month is about to be canned, because in no way, shape or form are they going to have this person playing a star role in a movie that's set to come out after all of this has happened. I want you guys to understand that the Crown Prosecution Service have reviewed substantial evidence of this man, and I want to go over this. They've authorized the Metropolitan Police to charge him after the substantial amount of evidence that CPS have reviewed. 2 counts of R-word, 2 counts of assault by penetration, and 1 count of SA against a woman in January 2023. So this took place, guys, in 2023. We are now in 2025. This is how long this case has been going on for. So I would imagine that Michael Ward must have been arrested around that time, brought into custody, informed about the charges, and then was released with an active pending trial. And when he was arrested, probably it was at night at his home, no cameras were around, so nobody caught onto this going on for him. So now he's going to be going to court in August. I want to double check that date to find out when this is. The 28th of August, he will be at Thames Magistrate Court. Maybe I'll go and check it out and to see what's going on outside or in the courtroom. We will just have to see. But this has obviously broken. It's really broken my head. Like, this is one of those type of news where you open your phone and you're like, like I was just like, what the hell? This man has been charged. Guys, this man has been charged. It's not accused. It's not alleged. It's not somebody, coming out to do a podcast speaking about Michael Ward and what he's done. This man has been charged. The Crown Prosecution Service have reviewed substantial evidence and have informed the Metropolitan Police, please charge this man based on what we have seen. That means that this woman and what she has in 2023 must be big evidence. Does she have video? Does she have tape? Does she have marks on her body? Does she have recordings? Does she have, text messages of him admitting stuff later on in the next couple of years? It could be anything that this woman has collected a substantial filing, submitted it to the police, who passed it on to the CPS, and they said, therefore, the Crown Prosecution Service will only go forth with something if it's in the public's interest and if this person is a danger to the community. Therefore, they pick up a case and they tell the Met Police, let's charge this. Evidently, they've done that. They've charged him now because of all of this evidence, and therefore he is a danger to the community. This man can kiss his career goodbye even if he comes out not guilty, which I don't think is going to be the case because the man has been charged. CPS don't pick up a case and call Metropolitan Police and call PC Billy and say, PC Billy, you need to charge this man based on what we've seen if he's innocent. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. SA, R word, and penetration. Do you not realize how mad this is? He can kiss his career goodbye forever. You cannot recover from this, especially from the UK. When it comes to R word allegations, you cannot recover from that. He will not be welcome back into the acting studios ever again, because now this makes him a liability. Not only this, but has this lady, and the fact that she's waited 2 years for this, opened up Pandora's box? Can we talk about Pandora's box for a minute? Are there going to be other women or even men coming out against this man saying, oh wait, she's got the confidence, this case hasn't even settled yet, but let me get mine in? For all of the evidence seekers, evidently they don't know any legal terms correctly. This man has been charged. Crown Prosecution Service have charged this man. You don't charge unless there's enough evidence. Honestly, when it comes to stuff like R word, it dumbfounds me, because this man had such a big career, up and coming, multiple shows, had a movie coming out. Why would you give that all away in a moment of you in a room with somebody violently abusing them? Could it be more than one woman that's, come forth? Maybe it's just one that wants to come forward. Maybe there are, Jane or John Doe's. What's going to happen in court? How long is this trial going to be? When is the trial going to commence? Because I believe in, what's happening on the 20th of August. It's going to be some kind of preliminary kind of hearing, something like that. I don't think that the trial is going to begin on 20th of August. That's just when he attends court. Somebody make it make sense. Why would you throw your career away like this, man? Why would you do this? It's really shattered people in London who are shocked by this, and just anybody globally. I believe people might not even know who I'm talking about, but hopefully you guys do know who I'm talking about, because this man was a big character. He was a big actor. I wouldn't have expected this. He's flat out denied all of the allegations. He said that all of this is not true, and that basically I'm innocent and I'm going to fight this, but you cannot recover from this. And I don't think that he's going to fight this and succeed. I think he's going to fight this and lose. That's what I think is going to happen. Absolute madness. Subscribe to the channel, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. It's just one click to subscribe. That's all you guys have to do. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys soon for another video.